Imagine a gel that not only patches up damaged cartilage, but actually powers the very cells that build it, helping them regrow tissue that looks and feels like the real thing. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now with a new material called a bioenergetic-active hydrogel, or BAH. Cartilage injuries are a massive problem worldwide. Cartilage doesn't have its own blood supply, so once it's damaged, it struggles to heal on its own. Current treatments like microfracture surgery or even collagen-based hydrogels can slow down the damage, but the results rarely last. The problem is that cartilage cells, called chondrocytes, need energy to rebuild. And most repair methods don't give them that extra fuel. Without enough bioenergy, the new tissue tends to collapse or turn into fibrous cartilage, which isn't nearly as strong or flexible. This is where BAH comes in. Scientists designed it to be biodegradable, injectable, and even photo cross-linkable, meaning it can be solidified inside the body with a flash of UV light. But its real magic is in what happens next. As the hydrogel slowly breaks down, it releases succinate, a natural molecule that feeds directly into the cell's mitochondria. The result is higher ATP production, a more energized cell, and stronger extracellular matrix synthesis. In simple terms, it recharges the cells so they can do their job better. When tested in the lab, chondrocytes treated with BAH showed big improvements. Their mitochondria were healthier, producing more ATP and fewer damaging reactive oxygen species. Genes essential for cartilage repair, like type 2 collagen, aggrecan, SOX9, and TGF beta 1, were switched on at higher levels, while destructive enzymes that normally eat away at cartilage were suppressed. Under oxidative stress, which usually devastates chondrocytes, BAH protected the cells, restoring their energy balance and even rescuing their damaged mitochondria. The real proof came from animal studies. In rabbits with cartilage defects, researchers compared traditional collagen hydrogels with BAH. After 6 weeks, the defects treated with collagen were only partially covered, while those treated with BAH were completely sealed with new tissue. After 12 weeks, the difference was striking. The cartilage formed with BAH looked almost identical to native cartilage, smooth, thick, and well organized. It even promoted bone regeneration beneath the cartilage, a crucial step in building lasting repair. Collagen hydrogel, on the other hand, often collapsed or turned fibrous. By the end of the study, tissue in the BAH group was rich in type 2 collagen and aggrecan, the hallmarks of healthy cartilage, with chondrocytes arranged in the same structured way found in natural joints. Even markers of tissue degradation were drastically lower. In other words, this hydrogel didn't just fill the gap. It truly rebuilt cartilage from the ground up. What makes this so exciting is the principle behind it. Instead of just providing a scaffold for cells to grow on, BAH actually fuels the cells with energy. It changes the environment inside the joint, giving chondrocytes the bioenergetic push they need to rebuild and maintain healthy cartilage. This could mark a turning point in regenerative medicine, not only for osteoarthritis and sports injuries, but also for tackling the rising global challenge of joint damage caused by aging and obesity. We are still at the preclinical stage, and more testing will be needed before this reaches patients. But the concept is groundbreaking. A material that heals by energizing cells, it suggests a future where damaged joints aren't just managed or replaced, but truly healed from within.